Hey everyone, have you ever found that your phone and Phone Skope case tends to rotate down when you have it attached to your spotting scope? Let me show you a quick fix for that. So traditionally you'll attach your phone like this, and the phone can rotate downward. As you can see, the weight of the phone is actually pulling the eyecup down and retracting it. So what we found that will remedy this is to put the phone on the other way. With the eyecup twisted out, put the bottom of the phone on this side, and it can no longer pull that down because it is hitting the stop on the eyecup. The camera will orient itself so that everything still is upright and looks great, and this is going to be the best way to keep from your eyecup rotating down and affecting your image and image quality. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. Drop us a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have questions, send me an email, support@phoneskope.com, or you can give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.